Hello guys, good morning. This is IceMan-Tech. This morning we are going to be talking of, we are going to be showing this, maintaining this machine. And as I said, we are going to maintain this machine today. Yes, we are going to be maintaining this machine. Yes, we are still under the maintenance of this 200 capacity absorb machine. Now, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you guys what I'll be doing with this accumulator. You can see I open here, and this is what I've turned it into. Now, this machine, this layer is going to run. This particular one is going to be using one function line. The one function line, this place is going to the compressor, doing the second line. Then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line comprises of the 5 line that is on the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the 5 line. Then this one is going to be the up one, the up layer of the machine. Meaning this line is 6 lines. The 5th line with the up one. You see my hand?
Yes.
The up one. That one makes it 6. So during the training, I will teach you guys how I managed to get something like this and how you're able to fix it. This is just an illustration of what I'm going to do on the training. Through this method now, this will serve as an accumulator and also as a junction box. It will enable the compressor breathe fine and reduce the noise on the compressor. Thank you guys.